Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to sign out from your Google account on your iPhone. So if you want to sign out or remove your Google account from your iPhone, you have come to the right place. So the first step is to head over to your Gmail app on your iPhone, open it, and then click on your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Once you tap on your profile icon, here you will see your accounts and two options below them. Add another account, manage accounts on this device. You have to click on manage accounts on this device, the last option here. Tap on it and then select whichever account you want to remove from this device. Here it has three accounts, so I will just remove the first account from this device. I will just click on remove from this device and click on remove. Once I will tap on remove, the account will be removed from this device. So that's it. That's how you do it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like, comment and subscribe to the channel.